Hey, what's going on, guys? I just got my new iBenzer case for my MacBook Pro. You can use this for MacBook Pro 2016, 2017, and 2018. Right now, I got it with another case, but the downside from this case is that it's really thick. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna remove it and we're gonna install this one so you guys see how it's gonna look. So let's get it out of the way. All right, guys, so now once we got the case out, we have the MacBook Pro right here without any skin or case on it. So let's get the iBenzer case on it now. So let's get it out of here and let's see what we're gonna expect. So first off, we have some cloth right here to clean the screen. We have the case, really light, and let's try to open it. Hold on, I should have opened this before, but I want to do this all on the video. Out of the way, and this is just like some bubbles so it doesn't hit. Some extra rubber legs. It also has another plastic covering on it, which I'm gonna remove right now so we can get it on our MacBook Pro. So this is the clear one. There's also other colors. One of the good thing about this is that you don't cover up the logo. That's if you want to have the logo visible. This will work just fine. And let's get this on it. That was easy. Hold on, not sure if that clipped on. No, this is not how it goes. Let me turn it around. Quick tip before you put this case on, clean your MacBook. All right, so we got the top part on. Now let's get the bottom side. You can see it has the vents right here, so it doesn't heat up. Let's get this on. Oh, get that clipped. Once it's clipped, you can see it's on from both sides. It should not come off. Whoop. Well, it hasn't clipped yet, so let's do this right now. Go, should clip from the back also. There we go, now we can hear it clipped. So this is how the case looks. Check it out, it's a glossy look. No problems here, everything's clear. Check that out. On the bottom side, this is how it looks. Clear case. So if you guys are the type of people who like to show off your MacBook, letting people know that you have one, instead of having this case that practically covers it all up, this one is a clear one that'll be just as good. It'll cover up and it looks nice. It looks glossy and it's gonna protect my MacBook Pro. Why is this important to protect it? Because obviously it's gonna last longer. It's gonna protect it from a fall. And if you want to resell it, it's gonna have a higher value because it won't have any scratches or scuffs on it. Well, all right, guys, this is the iBenzer case. If you like it, if you want to buy one of these, I'm gonna leave the link in the description. If you guys want to buy one of the other cases that are more thicker and more protective, I'm gonna also leave the link. Thanks for watching, guys. My name is George Aguilar.